What's the meaning of commercialism? Commercialism. Commercialism.
Commercialism. Commercialism. Commercialism refers to the excessive emphasis on commercial or financial interests in various aspects of society, such as art, politics, and public life. This can result in the devaluation of non-commercial values, such as creativity, authenticity, and civic engagement, and the promotion of profit-driven motives above all else. In essence, it prioritizes economic gain over other social goals, often to the detriment of individuals and communities. The result is a society where everything is increasingly monetized, commodified, and subject to market forces, rather than being valued for its own intrinsic worth.